Okay, so this is by way of our juicy gossip. Mami kwa branti abenya no ha. It's rather unfortunate to say the Papa J Nkwana wo ha as official JFK. Nani atutu auto ejem adambo jemnya asem ketwa ne mami afrim. Ayaro hosam na nyame aduma Sunday we na ye 1 week. Enti ye be he na yakwa ni china bibia ye kama ntie ne official JFK enti ma meka yensa Papa J wa ha yenko na ye share yenko tutu Papa J bibia wako there
nyama ndo bogo
official panzo
afi ko beti afi se na bibia
okay oh yes yeah papa mu Christmas ni mo aye share abeni ye share
yes Christmas no me ma home you I need about the whole month. I'm coming down.
Oh, but say yes, so the amount quite. Because they program na shall say they are there with that. But my young cancer, no people are saying say, Uber Juma papa, Uber Juma, comment now, but it's Uber Juma papa. I wish up.
Nyamiso Light TV for that event. I think say Mama and Korano so energy.
Yeah, man.
And I'll always be happy to be part of it. Anytime be I'll be part of it. Nyamisha munyina Osha manager Danny boy. Nyamisha na pa as a Christmas no chere odo. No show be your abi.
Ni shira na egu cup ni asa hema so
na ebusu
bi aka. Alright, yeah, share quickly emre no tie here. Videos be and 9 numa your boy. Where is your interest now for yemra your topic I discussing this way?
Well, Swansea, my member viewers in Nyina pa. This is the first show in 2021. Videos now, boy, you know, Mamenka, the listen, the one with Ogidi Brown and family. Bia, we can say Ogidi Brown, so they need your board, they need your body. Swansea, hey, I say, Obi from nowhere. Now, we didn't do, baby. Now, when you have the recognition, never doing a such as maybe I would do it. He can be on his own.
Yeah.
Whilst our contract, so what I say, contract. We are contract. That's one say when we now do baby. When you say
a breach of contract.
Breach of contract. Yeah. It is a one say we are not say free man. Was so the contract be also ewo sky there.
Yeah.
It is a one to me answer contract name. Was so the utua sika no. Asa na we free man.
Yeah.
Ako. Also aboka $50,000. Oba be pacho na oko. Oba pacho na oko. One can wait to organize a very big show, and on the show, not all bought that song, nothing I get, you know. Or catch people say, oh, but now the me I get something. Yes, he said it on the platform. Nothing I get. Now so Charlie, this time there I get something. And Ghana. No, that concert was a very huge concert. And family to me can't say, Onu Ogidi Brown, as a petty and Onyasika. Onyesika. Me kra me nya hwe kwa no me de na ko bo show Christmas ya Onyesika.
Okay.
Ya no ko bo ase Onyesika. Right on one drive on ngasa ne car. It is a would obi car. E do level bi untimi ntwa ne nyina kra na twetwe bi. Se wagye atum so obetua de a. O so we mpanyimfo ba be pa chewo. We de amanfo ba be ko so we nya record label so obetua ma. That means you've agreed say you will settle that debt. But you are not making an attempt to say ya ebasa no more no why disappointed.
So but I believe there's a contract, a legally bound contract and a document. So will be a fault here. The exact place also didn't require court. So what you see
also can say yes what they call court to be no be patcho. What say the court be no be patcho. So what I say what boy go for court there. Court there e be na bet o ka je so de obeko ba bi abo oduane de ho de e bia ubesuru go kun say Ghana for the suro sa ne
but very true there but the obo nipa de duane o wa say o sika onzanga
o say so owu
and I only ye man okay
o say so owu kura na say
na Ghana for anti o no Ogidi Brown ka bi o
okay which means that the Ghana any yeah and family na ye nim no nya family no nie
why you rude na
me say ye the family ko obo ase. The way that guy was behaving, I'm surprised. Family no Ogidi Brown, who released Destiny? Me person me won kwada ma ko 30. Who know Ogidi man about Kumasi? Someone called me say from here is in Kumasi or pay interviews on TV and radio. I gave the guy interviews.
Okay.
Friend Papa J, your time by or friend me but for now you didn't go show a guy didn't sing interview on radio for people to know say family is in town or so on sinko. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. Me na make us me boa. Mini Papa J mini family have to stand somewhere obini nko kasa and say family safe Africa mu. Who discuss all the Land Cruiser na ba over all the Camry na ba eh.
Oh really?
Who Jessica say the Land Cruiser and eba oba ne oh you do ha pe Land Cruiser emu Land Cruiser. Oh, you need to know me korea. Camry na si wono.
So no wa Land Cruiser.
Wow. Honky ebufu. But what about they are fine. He was behaving ahoma so bi ni yamanyama. I'm not enye de one Ogidi Brown issues ninti.
Yeah.
But baby I what do no. Me what do how we the guy has pushed you to a certain level say Ghana for nyina even that guy too is a musician.
Yeah, Ogidi Brown is a musician.
What I said, yeah. Baby opinion what do you right now you are playing more shows than Ogidi Brown.
No question.
You have the money. Chiabi. So if you say I'm passive, what then the cadia? Say no kasa no be patch or but that means what then the car.
Yeah.
Chiabi when your shows in the abo, when your gigs, and yeah, you have hit songs.
Who did this say ne kwan so because of Bundia?
A crowd be first or be Guinness canon.
Oh, but so no the all can interest in his can open this time around. Send you see can yeah, pay me doors with chance or Guinness.
I know, but so
you won't open.
What try all means.
On try all means.
Or say a man for Baba Pacho
on for legal means. Then so you can't say you have tried all means. Because the last resort, they never court. Not court. Because court a chef from here so Janice Gamano. Family do that.
Someone can choose to go to court. Someone to the police station. Someone will go for machos to come to your house and seize your cars and properties. Obispo court.
It means to say unlawful.
Unlawful, but people have their own way. Oh, but now moka. So what just and to also over Quantua unlawful. Quantua is unlawful. What I say, you're free or more Antoine. I hope say hono, you can't almost what I say, ain't Uncle Ka family beba.
So
as it Cohen. Until the young never be young catch a family say. So be you have on an ancestor. And then Bulldog. Swazi. Share Ghana on your mancophobic crime or more name be or more on certain shows. I say, some better yen your mom was a man, mammy quite. Emma mean yet. All because I said, Mama, become my year. Maybe a commercial online TV about the GD, maybe a better affected brand.
Yeah.
When people are coming on the show, I'm from Common back, more about say, and nobody can delay. No, I'm not for banning shows. And since baby, and your honor or pushy,
as I said, we will be some phone.
Yes, all because of the show near a trendy. UTV is about time. I will say, you can't say more moves and never do more, and you're professional.
Oh, really?
Makacho, the last time I told you here, say,
what can't say where I can't.
Yes.
No.
Hey, could you castle when a funny face, but John blows on live TV?
The Kai sister, if you are so near Frida Rives.
Kokumenu, could you castle with the same thing? I covered when I'm saying Suba Saba. You have directors, you have producers. As a Bulldog kind, a serious issue.
Oh, I said, Oman Bulldog and
yes, Oman couldn't.
I know what you were so casting business here. The only thing I made my answer retracted that statement.
Yes, and Ambassador, you have to work him out.
Oh, really?
Yes.
On the show?
Yes.
So what casting me then? Yeah. You come in a polite way, make my catch you say, Chawasam the sign. And that is the obvious way I'll make me.
No, so just a seminal car, no crown, waka. Or your right also can. If you was nigga, you know, say maybe if you was nigga, you know, no money. But waka said the president in on to me 4-year term. So serious threat. I'm telling you, serious threat. Wait, obey me go jail.
Oh, say yeah, president don't mean you. If you no one can say bit me jail at all. I said, who are you? He didn't say that. He didn't say that. President on 10 years.
Or see, he will not finish his 4-year term. Or it's serious. I'm telling you. The body language and the facial expression of the cast, it tells you they won't argue him.
A threat.
You see, the Katama way the Konipa argue him.
Okay.
It's a total threat.
Okay.
And you can't threaten the president live on TV just like that.
And that's very true.
Even John Dramani Mahama Kra and Kasa Asebno. On your opposition leader, or see a real on Kasa. And in another down quarter or catch you say go and save your money. Oh, baby, now and Coca.
And then if you was nigga, so
yes. What you could for second crowd, Mama? Only quite fast as coming in a right.
Yeah.
No better like Bulldog, you are just a mere panel pandit.
Oh,
you are yes, he's just a mere pandit.
Oh, how can they describe Bulldog as a mere pandit?
Who is Bulldog?
He's an artist manager.
Artist manager for what?
Yes,
Shatawale, what failing working with Shatawale? You failed or Pamo. Zilo from Daruma, and Osanya community. Recently, Yakasa was a Pamo. TV now what is a Kada Okasan, and I'm a gunner for Nimu. What does he do? Bulldog, where President year to a bar manua, Ghana for Nadia reaction to all the country. No, now a mere Bulldog sitting on TV, threatening president say, who did I say he will not finish. It can be said, Ubet me at the Tena Kokuno.
That's also
Ubet me in Kofa for Jenny. I have been a tier government and it will affect the peace of this country.
And also bet me, yes.
General, you know, man, the peace of this country. Then catches, I don't know, you're wrong.
Okay. But the money bill, 70,000.
Yeah, Oko Beba. Yeah, Oko Beba.
Next to come out with treasury.
Oko Beba. What I say? Enke no kokaye, and they didn't papa your money 10 years imprisonment, 15 years imprisonment.
Oh, yeah, Jaja country made you.
No, so there are certain things and yet this president of I think say DR Congo.
Yeah.
Ne first that is Zaire. Yeah, but president need to Kabila or something. You kuno. Do you say ya? What did fear question president anymore? I'm telling you.
Obi Krabi to make connection.
Yes. We need a year sent by a Kwakasi manager. Fenekochi. Ya chill Ghana phone you say any ye jaw na mo. And should them was that I was saying.
So no one kasa the one chair there.
You catch UTV before this time. They should be very careful.
Okay.
And direct their shows very well. They should be professionals.
Mate, you should the way forward of the Ghana movie industry. Say yes, 2020 dominate Kromwano.
Yeah.
This year, so young, quiet, the measures said to be better one because it looks as if that's what we should have images. James, I know what you be free. Way forward, Nanny say, and your mobile, you need to talk with mom this year, 2021, a movie industry make your cause.
Well, Swansea, Ghana movie industry as a whole, me, young kind of Kumawood and then the Mugali would do one, and they are all the Ghana movie industry. Now, one thing I would say was the movie industry was on its feet way back. Nejana na so pa I share with those days kwana Nigeria movies no room kese ne kwa wo ne o actors bi wo no maje omudin a o movies ba ne Nat Bani ni papa ya the late George Williams Edina Matachi Emmanuel Amma and then Bro Riverson Mame Dokunonom ene Idikoko mu
Jordan
Amatenum Emmanuel Adonum and then Ejako Ebaba
Expectabedia
Abuaji Brenyanum
Grace Note
oh
e dey me endorse
we share na Ghana movie industry no na eba be do certain level but Nigerian movies are finding difficult to penetrate the Ghana market.
That's very true.
So what I say and we loved it. Ghana for DJ won ye tie sika na ye to enti medwuma no be bie create so many avenues, so many employment for Ghanaians to enter. But at a point in time, directors, producers became complacent. Omutin baye omode. Yaji atum. Nti yenye de omye bia yenye. E omo ye adwuma na do certain level no omo lose ideas.
Confucius say twade ne gu.
Yes, omo lose the knowledge. Afi omo use titles baby. At a point in time omo nya titles bo bia benya akantem kwan title nyina.
Ya the nipa ba kokora timi ye titles ejeko mechanic ejeko bank manager ejeko carpenter ese nipa ba kopeda na de kakra bi abata no na yes
na ye ni professionals e wo game no and they were just doing it say no be afili bia na oye say no be afili competition any game no and you can see the same face in so many movies
almost so chiro mu gu almost so
and Ghanaians started talking about it say mu introduce faces so we mu ne dey o to when you the movie bet me akoma distributor no I catch you say Assume cinema yento.
Ampa no wanye.
I'm telling you. Assume cinema yento. Assume cinema yento. Eba sa ni ono wanye sika na mfa assume si okuta very good storyline no. The movie by
enko. The movie nyehe.
The movie by enko.
Yeah.
Until the man industry call from omunyina ya at fault. Actors, directors, producers, marketers, obia in the industry.
Obia at fault.
Obia at fault. What I say? Obi timi fetch no waje obi sika. Wasane na da. O man interested in bi. No na mochi no osai. Movie industry no.
Yes, marketers no crowd no so omo ankasa so produce movies ni bi ntel. Omu timi ton omo de na wo de no de ba no hijack no.
It is
now o ton ni de wi ansan we release wo de kwa de akwa bonten.
Market the well producers. And no de say they work on site me na afa so wo de movie. Akwa marketer na wa ton no. By wo de kwa in for 2 weeks time. No say ya to fine. Do timi kwanyu sika. Obeka just say enjoy.
Yeah, so
no this canon I had the foforo. And some of the marketers cry to me for movie na why any bi. No ma duplicate.
No mo aton.
E abeka ho. Ai. It is a movie no out pa man for to movies wo be kono still was egu ho.
What is a movie in some the doors?
I'm telling you, kasi you can hear me. And obviously, you should the way forward. Never movie national anymore. So it's a lot.
Okay.
It's a lot because the introduction of soundtracks.
I don't know you.
And you soundtracks nearby, you know. And also one factor is say the movie industry.
No problem.
I'm telling you, the problem is what's a soundtrack on all shot? Only excerpts of the movies.
Yeah.
And who share movie now? The more who share movie now, who share soundtrack now, who share movie now.
Who to me who movie ne baby
soundtrack ne a bit depicting movie na mo say it's right kwakosia. So people lost interest in buying the movie.
And I side with you because nkofo ani beje de oto onyo no rather than the movie itself.
Oh, movie no.
Yes.
So what I say?
Nya na ma bitake de mu na beje.
Yes. So omo hu sa de no. Mo di be share dum so. Dum so koye mo di be share telenovelas.
Yeah.
Ade. That means monkasa munnim ya moye. Nigerians are still shooting movies.
Oh yes.
Go to South Africa, they are still doing movies.
Yes.
Zimbabwe, they are still doing movies. They do quality movies. Or when you shoot to be a bullet to roll your body, you see, sir, you shoot to and then pash. And I'm more, you know. So director wey dey be say me na my movie na ya to e kwa me first me movie no say director no any producer no the same movie na since now you pick your man hit no me so the same thing.
Okay.
Near the aba into the point it abon which
by force eduma bi kwa de na afi adane
animation near to come na Kumasi Sports Stadium bubu ahye na ade chana kotofo interchange I started personal car now so. And they were doing this animation by more. I feel I am boring.
Bulldozer 1 and 2.
King Kong 1 and 2. Asama Bagana 1 and 2. Not a dinosaur. No KGT. Hey, nice. And you'll be initiative. Also think of another thing.
You remember come on the foreign you be no almost yes. Foreign media be no almost fire there no almost. As you say 2016 as a movie be 2016
by Ninja Films so then. Oh, Swansea. And the industry is and say are affect you behind the game.
They say oh my guy be presenters, actors.
That is it. Omo problem back no when Esochikwa had they all want to go to that side. No, right now they are all on YouTube. Omo nyina on YouTube.
Yeah.
Go to YouTube and say who no din on YouTube no.
Why YouTube?
Say ka YouTube shebu pa say cancel baby a TV free omo say.
The way forward.
The way forward in this Swansea. They almost be the airline, almost trying airline. Now say what you say you pass film there.
Yeah.
But maintain one sem say you true say you true.
Me share that. Say minister Dankasa dey too and say ya mutu abetia na.
But how say say tourism one.
Well, I think one of the senior positions we be but
Swansea.
Yeah, heavy at the moment.
Who be the way forward? Me kind of crib actually when
and they say
and it's a true fact. The movie industry can never bounce back as it was. I'm telling you today. Swansea, the way people purchase CDs, right now, people are not getting that access.
Because
and nipa na omoto movies omoto so na masikane ba ema producer enye bi ema director eni bi tua artist neka.
Yeah.
And say me movie no obi anto na menya mesika baka sini me yae den. And look at the social media or internet, those who watch our local movies, most of them don't know how to even access the internet on their phones. I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah.
Because movies never English speaking movies were ordered. I have to but it is the Kumawood movies, you know, and the Ghana movie industry need pay cost and most of them are cheap.
Yeah.
So what I say, and it's a big movie forward that it's all about marketing and purchasing, demand and supply.
Yeah.
Now who is demanding and who is supplying?
Okay.
How can they demand it on social media, on the internet? Yeah. And now I say they will go to the market themselves and to the producers of market and say,
I know the end.
And suddenly to me and bad, the industry can never bounce back. I'm telling you the truth.
All right.
It means I'm not being done because the premiering and they doing, you know, premiering, you know. And no end to me no, it can't tell Omoye. They tried to be as me premiere, but no go see saying ni person never go premiering. The person never go premiere, no. I
go for you who we are one of us go premiering. My bow way the down when I the next day you do them.
What I say, and those premiering is for intellectuals.
Yeah.
Mamma no coffee no share Jacko could not castle away no. Or the central market too. Or take a jet out.
Because I'm not watching that on my CCB. Yeah.
A few for them talking about the illiterates. No Monty Bluffano. When I two movies, no, of in Chrome, but not part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. But packing in another coffee. Yeah. No, about Ricky Bomba number 2. Missing me a Jumani. Ricky Bomba, Cindy Echo, was waiting with no top. The brain or the Code Crew. Now, Sandy Peoka is on the internet. No one could download the movies. And sign our tongue. And that's a so the industry is not bouncing back.
Okay.
If say you access, and go to be being found if you yeah.
I know Papa J, although they're not general, say it can never bounce back. So far as a young been told from one thing from coffee, but the internet way, no, you must say the Pado sign a tears here. I'm going to me download the movies. Now, almost when your music idea from, but whichever way it is, I strategically won't trust the movie mobile now for movie industry. And Emrabio quickly on Facebook, Matilda Boatin, she says, Swansea, I'm watching you live. I love this show. Thank you very much, Matilda Boatin. This one is also from Vivian Opoku. Wow, I'm loving the song. Okay, Opoku Baku pass him now. Okay. Matilda Boatin again, she says, this musician is too much. Okay. You have made it, Opoku Baku pair. So proud of him. Thank you. There are a lot of people who are also watching. Thank you for watching. Mr. Graham, we are far behind time. This is the first edition of Showbiz Arena 2021. Yaka wechere ene dos ma yemfa se na PSA fam obi bia ye di ka twedi amponyankopon na ase ya baba ye wura afufu from the promise we say obeso ye mu di akwa ma fi osade ya twa akwa wi de tosumienu enkoma Tibrek said the chief executive producer in the person of Mr. Daniel Yeboah aka Danny Boy ono na da adwuma kwa nyina no the ade bia be no ha bia no no na esomu a epeja ma ade na tumi eyefe ye dana se nyamisha do ntina ni mu choba je remember that afi na afi abrochefo yenyi sabe ba ku nsi ncheni enka ba ku munyina ye da munyina mase edini etimi wonye but ebi no wo ha wo se ebodi no ba mi ade padokas ya me shao afi ade mak ya me shao and afi so Auntie Cecilia ya me shao and afi Janet Massachusetts ya me shao Sister Dorothy of Belgium ya me shao Mr. Graham eni pa de dos Mr. Eddie Maso so yemu a yeda mu nyina amase se afrase no so yemu na fi so ba kura yemu na yede baton na ekwa quickly there na so
yes once they said I would JFK official ne ma me eda for me Sunday 1 week it yesterday obi asa obetimi ababi asa kore mampo ho na ye ko menu na so ya
shefa yeah
until only honest I have to come and then do it until Sunday ye be ko ye man yakọ
asa kore mampo
AMCT
okay
ho na ye kwa 1 week Sunday
Yeah, no, we be as.
Mama share sister of Yabi. And I na ya. We ga guy to my. Ti anyo bobo na nature na. Bobo nature.
So I can say a French boy. Yeah, fast that be from editor, kum producer, kum cameraman, kum everything. We are fake, but I saw na producer and kasa for this show. Atutu be a kama 3 years so at MCL you be so many years. Na ya ni sister nom ni o ma kan ina so. 80 atobra. Media back no wa body degree wa de ba ko mintimi nka no ha but ya me adum nti okode ni mo atobra be chiao ya me aduma Friday will be here to give you something very, very delicious, something so exciting in the world of entertainment. My name still remains Swansea. Wait to from Coffee Book. Bye bye. Fadia can